Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to take apart this 190 and do something like a crash test. I made this car entirely out of modeling clay, from a block like this, very hard NSP clay. And since this Mercedes is made entirely out of modeling clay, it can be broken because this material is quite soft and you can always change its shape. In this case, to break the car and so that it can actually break, I sculpted this car piece by piece, separately creating the body elements, cutting them out according to the drawings from very thin sheets of modeling clay, and then assembling everything into a single structure. A more detailed review is already available on the channel. If you haven't watched it yet, it's better to check it out. There I talked about it in more detail, how I made it and what materials I used. I showed the bottom of the car, the engine, the trunk and the interior. To conduct the crash test, I created this kind of acceleration lane. The Cybertruck will accelerate along it by remote control, and at the end of the path, it will crash into. Its body is also made of modeling clay and mounted on this chassis. To prevent the Cybertruck from knocking over the car and crushing it, I tied it with threads to the leg of a chair. That way, by limiting its acceleration, it will crash into and stop abruptly. At the back, I installed a tensioner made of these rubber bands so that it wouldn't fly back too far from the collision. That way, it will just be pushed back and it won't take any additional damage from behind. And as an example, I'll show you what can happen. The first collision was absorbed entirely by the bumper. It crumpled quite a bit and the damage didn't really go any further. The hood and the left headlight got a bit bent and from above you can clearly see the point of impact. The windshield also came a little loose from its mounts and I think it might come off completely soon. If you open and remove the hood, you can get a better look at the points of impact and see how badly the engine was damaged. Now I'll try once again to crash into the front part of the Mercedes. Still, I decided to remove the rubber bands. They make the car bounce back too much. There are still soft sponges in the back and they will absorb the impact. This time, the damage is much more serious. The collision was right in the center. The bumper and hood got bent and a lot of cracks appeared in the paint due to the deformation of the modeling clay. Also, the dashboard moved a bit into the cabin because the hood didn't bend enough and pushed the dashboard inside. Apparently, I didn't install it securely enough. While you can still sit there, it's certainly less spacious than before. Under the hood, the radiator got a little pinched, but otherwise the engine doesn't have any noticeable damage. The spoiler broke in the back. It snapped off right where I had joined it when I was molding it. Side collisions into the driver's door, let's say, an imitation with a pole. The damage is severe. The door was bent to the seat, which shifted slightly. The roof, however, remained intact because the battering ram on the Cybertruck isn't that high. From below, you can see how badly everything here was bent, and there's even a bulge on the threshold. At the back, the side damage is especially noticeable. I think it turned out quite well, and realistically. The central pillar also went a bit deeper into the cabin. The rear part was damaged very badly. Since there are no reinforcements there, it just bent like that. The trunk immediately flew off. The car is undamaged except for the spoiler. It can be reinstalled without any issues. After all these collisions, the car was already starting to fall apart. The engine was shaking all over, and some small parts were falling off. But these turned out to be funny. Look, the tire itself stayed in place, but the rim came off and the rear wheel flew off completely. This collision was right into the central pillar. The damage here is much greater. Inside the cabin, things are really bad. The seats are completely crushed and tilted. Now I want to completely crush the car and see what happens. In slow motion, I place the Mercedes by the pillar, so it will get crushed very hard. Unfortunately, this segment wasn't recorded at 960 frames, only at regular speed. It just got completely crushed. It looked really cool. It got crushed so hard that it's barely holding together. Almost everything is falling off. So what happened to the front part here? That's unbelievable. The engine, the radiator, they've just been ripped out already, so this is just a strip with some headlights or something. And the front door has just cracked in half, the bottom has separated from the body itself. Some of the parts have just split along the seams. The orange NSP modeling clay is visible. Yeah, that was definitely quite a spectacle. I hope you enjoyed it too. And the next car I'm going to take apart will be the new Niva Travel. I'm planning to crash it into a pole. And to make sure you don't miss this video, subscribe to the channel and hit like for this kind of destructive content. Now that this Mercedes is completely wrecked, it's going to be stored on the shelf with other wrecked plasticine cars. And that's all I have for you. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye everyone.